Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix all the crashes and black screen in Wuthering Waves. So let's get started. First, open your game and click the range button and click confirm. After the confirm, close this game. The next step is going to on this folder where your file is located. My X file is here. Click the right button and go to on properties and click capabilities. Make sure this 2 button is enabled. Disable all the off-screen optimizations and run this program as an administration. After that, apply and OK. So the third step is go to your settings, then click update and security, then click Windows security, and you can see firewall and network protections. Click this and now click allow an app through the firewall. So in this, find the Wuthering Waves. So here is my game. Now click change the setting, private and public. Both options are enabled. So allow another app, browse. Now click this folder where your X file is here. My X file is here. Then file name and paste it. After that, make sure your window is updated. The final step is always update your driver. When your driver is updated, then your game is smoother. So I hope you understand. Following this step, you can make your game and fix your all crashes and black screen.